Hi all, today we are going to discuss about map, how to create a map in Power BI. So here we have two options, one is map and another one is filled map. So if you click this map button, it will create. If it is not created, then you can go to settings, file, go to options, and here options. In this options, you can go to security. In this security, we have a map and filled map visuals. So if you want to arc map also, we can add here, and map and filled map also we can add here. So you can choose this tick mark, enable it and click OK. Then you can able to access this map. So the first map. So why we need to choose a map? So we need, if you want to highlight the location. So for example, we have lot of branches. We need to highlight where and all we have branches and where and all we are doing a service. So on that scenario, you can choose this graph. For example, here in my data, I have city. So I want to show where and all my service is there. So if I choose city column, automatically it will show like this. So if you want to zoom little bit, then uh, so you can click here. So you can zoom and fix it where you want. Okay. So maybe here we have settings, map settings. You can choose which style you want in this map. So for example, aerial settings, it should be like this. I, I couldn't able to zoom. My mouse is quite problem. I'll just zoom it. Okay. Yeah. So now I can able to highlight like this. So the first model is aerial map. So aerial map will look like this. Color combination and everything will look like this. And dark map. So you can choose whatever you want, and whether we have light map and grayscale map, and then road map. So this is road map. And here we have controls. So auto zoom. So we can use mouse and we can zoom it. If it is not possible, then we can use this zoom buttons. So here it will generate zoom button. Then you can click plus or minus. Likewise, we can able to zoom it. So now I am doing, I want to zoom. I want to move here in my location. So I can able to highlight like this. So it will highlight. So where and all my services are available. So Mumbai, Bangalore, Madras, Calcutta. Likewise, it will highlight. So if you want this zoom button, you can click this on tab, then automatically it will generate. If you don't want, you can just disconnect, it will go off. Then one more lasso button is also there. So if you want to zoom with this lasso button, you can use this lasso button. That is also possible. So culture is automatically selecting, and bubbles. So the location is highlighted in bubble, this blue color bubbles, right? Yeah, here. So this bubble size, so if you want to increase your bubble size, that is possible. We can highlight like this. And if you want to change the bubble color, that is also possible. Here we can change the bubble color. Entire bubble color also we can change. Or if you want to change location wise, that is also possible. So if you click this show all tab, then automatically it will list out all the locations. So you can simultaneously select separate color also. For Bangalore blue color, and Chennai I'll show some different color. Likewise I can able to highlight it. It should be like this. Okay, and category labels. So if I want to highlight the location, so if I make it on, then it will highlight Indore, Bangalore, Kolkata, Mumbai, that and all. We can able to highlight it here in category labels. And if you want to change the font color and background color, so that is also possible. So this is text color I have changed now. And if you want to change some background color, that is also possible. So we can go to background and we can change some background color for a data label. That is also possible. And transparency, if you want to adjust the transparency, you can able to adjust this transparency here. Okay, so these are all settings are available in normal map. When what is the difference between the map and filled map? Actually, this location. So for example, I'll zoom little bit. Yeah, here it is exactly the Bangalore where it is pointed out and it is showing like a Bangalore. And if I choose filled map, then what happen? That entire location it will highlight. So for example, it will filled that particular location in color. Maybe I'll show. See here, I'll just zoom little bit. So instead of dot, it will highlight the location. I drop it. Instead of bubble, instead of dot. So it will highlight the entire Bangalore. So that is filled map. The filled map will look like this. So that is the changes. But apart from this, other settings are map settings and color. It's remains same like what we did in a normal map. So whether you want road map or aerial map, that we can choose in the style. And colors also we can choose whether location wise you want color, or overall you want to change the color in filled map. That is also possible. We have option in settings, we can able to change it. Okay, thanks for watching.